For years, one of the Honda Odyssey's most popular features has been its rear entertainment system, and now, Honda has reimagined the system to make it even better. The 12.8-inch screen now plays video from devices plugged into an HDMI port located in the center console. You can plug in streaming devices such as an Amazon Fire Stick, Google Chromecast or TV streamer, Apple TV, or any other device that utilizes HDMI. To use the system, plug your device into the HDMI port. If it requires external power, you can plug it into the USB port or AC outlet. Open the rear screen. Turn on the device. If the device has not been set up, follow instructions provided with the device. If you are using a streaming device, you will need to connect it to a Wi-Fi hotspot. You can use the hotspot in your Odyssey or bring your own. Once connected, you can then play your favorite content from the device. Rear passengers can control content via the streaming device remote. If your streaming device supports it, it can also cast content from your own mobile device. Connected headphones will exclusively play audio from the rear entertainment system. Rear entertainment system audio can also be played throughout the entire vehicle by selecting the rear entertainment button on the front touchscreen. Some devices will also allow you to play and pause from the front touchscreen. Remember, closing the overhead screen or pressing the rear power button will turn off the rear entertainment system but may not power down the streaming device. And there you have it, a guide to using the new rear entertainment system on the Honda Odyssey. We hope this makes your next drive a lot more enjoyable for everyone on board.